Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Google Play Store to your OS devices. So you can see this is my MacBook and I just want to check for its update version. It's about 26.3 installed on it. So I want to show you how to install Play Store to this MacBook. So this is actually very easy. What you're going to do, you have to just open the browser of your MacBook and you have to just type here Android Studio. So once you just got the result from the official website of Android Studio, so you're gonna click on this one to download it. So you can see you have to just accept this and you have to download the right setup. So mine was Apple chip, so I'm going to download that, and I already downloaded and installed that to my MacBook. I want to show you now how to install Play Store to your MacBook. Now once you just open it, just click on open. So we're gonna just click on don't send, and now we're gonna create new project. So after that we're gonna choose no activity, then go click on next and finish. Your project is ready. So time to create our Android device on our MacBook. So we're gonna create a virtual device, so we can use any phone from here, or we can go use a tablet. So I just want to install today a tablet to my MacBook, so I'm going to choose any of them. I have two kind of tablet. I'm just going to click on here. So you can see I got a 3 setup. I'm just going to use the first one, then I'm going to click on finish. So when I click on yes, it's just going to download about 1 GB of the file. So once it has been downloaded, I'm just going to click to launch the Android tablet and it's ready. Now we can use the Play Store here on our MacBook. For example, just going to sign up my Gmail account, then I'm just going to download any Android application to my MacBook. So let's go ahead to sign in. Here you can see I just always signed in to my Gmail account, so I'm just going to search for WhatsApp in my tab that I just created here on my MacBook. So I got the result and I'm just going to click on install. Here you can see it's already just time to click on open. And once you open the WhatsApp, now I'm just going to click on agree and continue. So you can see I can scan the code and use my tablet here on my MacBook. So this is all about how to install Play Store to your OS devices. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next week. 12 videos. Bye bye my friends. Peace.